Welcome to uCertify Assessments. Assessment serves as an essential checkpoints for evaluating your understanding and reinforcing what you have learned. These assessments are conducted under exam-like conditions to help you measure your progress effectively. You can access the assessments either through the course dashboard or from your school's LMS via LTI link. The assessments page lists all assessments along with availability, result, and start button. Click on the start button to attempt the questions under exam-like condition. In uCertify Assessments, you will find these universal features. Using 3 dots, you can bookmark, rate confidence, and make notes. While the note option is not available in the test mode. Click on the side pane on the left to navigate to other labs. Use the navigation bar on the bottom right corner to access accessibility settings and more options. Upon completing the assessment, click End Test and you will reach the result page. Here, you can view your result percentage, identify correct and incorrect responses, and also review the correct answer for each question. Now, click on the Go Back button on the bottom right corner to go back to the dashboard and explore other course components. And that's uCertify Assessments. For more help videos, visit www.ucertify.com/support.